Hello, today I'm going to be trying to solve a Rubik's Cube as fast as I can with the worst method I could find. This method is called CCFSLL. You can... whatever. Basically how it goes is you solve the corners first, one face of the edges, F2L with just U perms, everything with just EPLLs, and then ELL and EPLL. Let's see how this goes. So I normally solve Rubik's Cube in about 12 seconds. Let me just do a solve right now. Oh, this is an easy scramble. This is gonna be like under 10. I lied. Oh, what? Alright, don't mind that. But let's see how fast I can do it with this method. Alright. So first you basically solve it like a 2x2. Oh wow, beautiful 2x2 skills. Oh, I forgot to mention this. You solve the centers next. First layer. Ooh, I already got 2 right there. Can do an H perm, and then U perms, put that in place. I can do a U perm right there. Wrong U perm. U perm. H perm. What? Alright. 3 F2L edges already done. Nice. That needs to go there. So we can move that out of the way. Solve that. Move this back onto last layer. Alright, 1:08. Honestly, not as bad as I thought. Let's compare the move count. So I think an average CFOP solve is like 55 moves. So let me just count the moves real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77 moves. Yeah, close enough. Count the amount of moves for this. Alright, let's mix that up a bit more. My guess is it's going to be like 200 moves, just because of all the U-perms and all that. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I actually knew that CLL. 18. 18, 20, 21, 22, 25. Alright, so 8 moves, 3 perm. Let's just count 8 perm. 33, that's 33. 41, 49, 56, 49, 46, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96, 104. Alright, so 104 moves in, this is what the cube is looking like. 112, 120, 128, 136, 144, what's that, 144 then, 152, 160, 168, 176. Alright, last layer, 176 moves in, 177, 178, 179, 180, 181, 182, 183, 184, then 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, 190, 191. So, my guess of like 200 moves wasn't too off. Of course, I bet I could have done some things more optimally there. possibly making the move count even faster or lower, but yeah, I would not recommend this method, and let me know what you guys think of this video in the comments, and have fun.